Thinking about retirement in your 20s might seem like a distant concern, but did you know it's the perfect time to start? Starting early can be your secret weapon in building a comfortable and secure future. In retirement planning in your 20s, a head start on a wealthy future will guide you through the essentials of early retirement planning. From understanding compound interest to creating a diverse investment portfolio, this video is your roadmap to a financially secure retirement. Let's get started on this exciting journey to ensure a prosperous future. Understanding the power of compound interest. The magic of retirement planning in your 20s lies in compound interest. It's the process where your earnings generate even more earnings over time. Think of it as a snowball effect. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. For example, if you start investing a small amount monthly from your 20s, these contributions can grow exponentially by the time you retire, thanks to compound interest. This powerful financial principle emphasizes the importance of starting early, even with smaller amounts. By leveraging the power of time, compound interest can turn your modest savings into a substantial nest egg. Setting retirement goals. Setting clear retirement goals in your 20s might seem challenging, but it's an essential step. Start by envisioning what your ideal retirement looks like. Do you dream of traveling, pursuing hobbies, or simply enjoying a comfortable lifestyle? Estimating the costs associated with your retirement dreams can help set tangible savings goals. Consider factors like potential retirement age, lifestyle desires, and inflation. Setting these goals now gives you a clear target to work towards and helps to structure your saving and investment plans effectively. Remember, these goals can evolve over time, but having a starting point is crucial for a focused approach to retirement planning. Creating a budget and saving plan. A well-structured budget is your blueprint for financial success, including retirement planning. Start by mapping out your income and expenses to understand your spending patterns. Allocate a portion of your income specifically for retirement savings. Treat it like a non-negotiable expense. Consistency is key. Even small, regular contributions can make a significant impact over time. Utilize tools like budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track and adjust your spending. Remember, your budget is flexible and should adapt to changes in your financial situation. By prioritizing retirement savings in your budget from your 20s, you're laying a strong foundation for a secure financial future. Taking advantage of employer retirement plans. If your employer offers a retirement plan, such as a 401k, make sure to take full advantage. These plans often come with benefits like employer matching, where your employer contributes a certain amount to your account based on your contributions. This is essentially free money, boosting your retirement savings significantly. Try to contribute at least enough to get the maximum employer match. Also, these contributions are typically pre-tax, which can lower your taxable income. Understand the plan's options and choose investments that align with your risk tolerance and retirement goals. Participating in employer retirement plans is a smart and efficient way to build your retirement savings early. Exploring individual retirement accounts, IRAs. In addition to employer-sponsored plans, individual retirement accounts, IRAs, are a fantastic tool for retirement savings. You have options like traditional IRAs, where contributions may be tax-deductible, and Roth IRAs, where withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Consider your current and expected future tax situations to decide which type suits you best. Traditional IRAs are beneficial if you expect to be in a lower tax bracket in retirement, while Roth IRAs are advantageous if you expect to be in a higher tax bracket. These accounts offer flexibility in investment choices and can be a great complement to employer plans. Understanding and utilizing IRAs can significantly enhance your retirement planning strategy. Investing in a diverse portfolio. Investing in a diverse portfolio is a critical aspect of retirement planning. Diversification involves spreading your investments across various asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate to minimize risk. In your 20s, you have the advantage of time, which allows you to take on more risk for potentially higher returns. Consider low-cost index funds or ETFs as a way to achieve broad market exposure. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to align with your changing risk tolerance and financial goals over time. Remember, a well-diversified investment strategy is key to managing risk and achieving long-term financial growth for retirement. Minimizing debt. Debt can be a significant obstacle in your path to retirement savings. High-interest debt, especially from credit cards, can eat away at your ability to save. Focus on paying off high-interest debts as quickly as possible, starting with the highest rates first. Consider strategies like debt consolidation or refinancing for lower interest rates. While some debt, like student loans or mortgages, can be considered good debt, it's still important to manage them effectively. Avoid accumulating new debts and use credit wisely. Remember, the less debt you have, the more you can funnel into your retirement savings, accelerating your path to a financially secure retirement. Understanding taxes and retirement savings. Taxes play a significant role in retirement planning. Understanding how your savings and withdrawals will be taxed can help you strategize for more tax-efficient retirement savings. For example, contributions to a traditional IRA may lower your current taxable income, but you'll pay taxes on withdrawals in retirement. On the other hand, Roth IRA contributions are made with after-tax dollars, but withdrawals are tax-free. Also, be aware of potential tax implications of early withdrawals from retirement accounts. Consider consulting a tax professional to understand the tax impact on your retirement savings and to explore strategies for minimizing tax liabilities, maximizing your retirement funds. The role of insurance in retirement planning. Insurance is an often overlooked aspect of retirement planning, yet it plays a vital role. Life insurance can provide financial security for your dependents, while health insurance can protect you from unexpected medical expenses that could deplete your retirement savings. These policies can cover costs of care that are not typically covered by health insurance, such as assisted living or in-home care. Evaluating your insurance needs and ensuring adequate coverage can prevent unforeseen events from derailing your retirement plans. Incorporate insurance considerations into your overall retirement strategy to safeguard your savings and future financial security. Avoiding common retirement planning mistakes. Common retirement planning mistakes can significantly impact your financial future. One major mistake is procrastinating on starting your retirement savings. The sooner you begin, the more you benefit from compound interest. Another error is not diversifying your investments, which can expose you to higher risk. Also, be cautious of overly conservative investment strategies that may not provide enough growth over time. Avoid withdrawing from your retirement funds early, as this can lead to penalties and reduced growth potential. Stay informed, seek professional advice when needed, and regularly review your retirement plan to avoid these common pitfalls and stay on track for a secure retirement. Embarking on retirement planning in your 20s is one of the most impactful steps you can take towards securing a financially stable future. By understanding the power of compound interest, setting clear goals, and consistently saving and investing, you're laying the foundation for a comfortable retirement. Remember, it's never too early to start, and every small step counts. Thank you for joining us on this journey with Money Magnify. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful financial advice. Here's to a prosperous future and a retirement filled with possibilities.